Morning guys, it is May 26, 2023. I just got a call from an older lady that I've worked for a bunch of times, and she's only got one toilet there, and I guess she blocked up the toilet somehow, or put some kind of flipping log in there or something, and they can't get it to work. So I gotta go over there, and probably just needs a snaking closet auger to get it going again. But she's telling me she needs all new parts inside the toilet. I don't think so, because I was just over there a couple of months ago and the toilet was fine. So we're gonna go over there and we'll give it the closet auger treatment, and it'll probably be fine. Be on my way. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Yeah, another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Yeah. All right, we'll try to get you some shots over there. She's a nervous Nelly. She's a nervous Nelly. Get all flustered and stuff over there. Nice lady. Nice older person. So many guys that given her a royal screw-on over the years. They go in there and they charge her thousands and thousands of dollars to do a simple job, and she pays them. Crazy. I don't know. She tells me some of these stories that some guy put a sink in for her and charged her like $6,000 to put a sink in. It's like, what's the matter with you? Why do you do that? $6 grand to hook up a sink in the bathroom. She paid the guy. I mean, I would never do that to an older person. I gotta sleep at night. But she's, I told her, just call me, I won't rip you off. So she knows, she trusts me. I replaced her air conditioner over there and stuff over the years. Try to get you some shots.
But the last few days it's been doing this. He's been playing with it, and playing with it, and playing with it.
Oh, the water's too low probably. Just flushed. Let it fill up. Hang on a minute. He's been playing around with it?
We only got this one bathroom, boy.
Let me make sure the water's coming up all the way. It's got to be 3/4 of an inch down, so.
Is this old?
No, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, why do you want to change things that don't need changing?
Just because if we can't get you, we're stuck.
Oh, you called me. I come right here. Didn't you? Yeah, it's too low. See how he's got the water too low? See how it's too low? Yeah. Not enough water in there to flush it. What's your husband do for a living?
Well, he said he bent something this morning.
Yeah, he bent it all right.
I mean, we need a toilet. You can't do without a toilet.
Alright, so I want to come up a little bit more with it.
You know what I mean when I say this has no give, it just flops?
That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Alright, now the water level's where we need it.
It wouldn't flush. It wouldn't flush.
Whoa, he probably pushing out some 2x4s or something.
No. Okay,
now it's set where it needs to be. Let's put some paper in here and see if it flushes. Now the water level's set right. Before, it was too low. It wouldn't flush like that.
I just thought this thing may be old.
No, that's not the point. The point is you have to, this is a low water usage toilet. You got to make sure you get the proper amount of water in there to flush it, or it won't flush. Alright, so now we got the proper thing. I got paper in here. Let's see if it flushes.
Can I just say this? If the paper is here, it won't go down.
Well, the paper's got to be inside the water.
Yeah, I know.
You know, if you got a whole bunch of paper over here in it, then it just flushed. I'll do it again.
But it did it this morning and then it stopped again.
Oh, you probably put a big giant shit in there and blocked the thing up. That's probably what happened.
I don't think either one of us went this morning.
A big giant flipping log from hell, you know? I bet you. You want medicine, all kinds of medicine, you're probably pushing out 2 bricks.
No.
You're not? Okay. All right, the water's where we need to be.
And,
that's it. I mean, the thing's flushing the way it's supposed to flush. What can I tell you?
And
I'm not going to sell you something you don't need, madam.
How come the water doesn't come up?
It's coming up. It's filling right now. What do you mean the water's not coming up? It's supposed to be 90 seconds for a toilet to fill. You want to get your stopwatch? 90 seconds. When you flush it, it should take 90 seconds to fill up. That's a minute and a half for it to fill. Okay? I'm gonna do that right now.
Fill up. That's the point. It was only like this.
It's full now. It's full now.
Yeah, because he just worked on it again a few minutes ago. Just before you called, he tried it because we needed it. Do you hear that noise?
What noise? I don't hear that.
It howls. Badly.
It howls. That's why I shut it down a little bit. The water last time I was here. It
howls so loud. I have to shut the window. I don't want the neighbors to hear.
No, you're really getting ridiculous here with some of this stuff you're talking about. I don't hear it howling.
No, this would not work this morning.
Well, it's fine now. I mean, what do you want me to? You want me to sell you a new toilet? What do you want me to do?
I know.
You want me to sell you something you don't need? This is fine.
No, what if it does it on the weekend again?
Well, you have to call me. I'll have to come back.
Yeah, but it's a holiday weekend. You're not going to work.
It's working, ma'am. I don't know what to tell you. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to say something is wrong and it's not wrong?
No, that's not it. I just want to know it's going to flush.
It's flushing.
But it didn't this morning.
You probably had a blockage in there.
Well, I mean, I
don't know what to tell you.
Neither did I.
I readjusted the fill valve, so now it's filling up properly. If you don't have the proper water in this tank, it won't flush. It was too low, the water level. He's been in here playing around with it, your husband. I adjusted the water level. It's right where it needs to be. See the water level?
Yeah.
It's right where it needs to be. I flushed it twice with toilet paper. I'm going to do it a third time. And that's all I can do. I mean, I don't know what else you want me to do.
I thought this thing broke.
It's not broken. Everything's fine.
All right, so if it doesn't flush tomorrow, how do we fix it? Tell us what to do.
I put the whole bunch of paper in there. We're going to flush it for the third time. Okay? Going right down nice and easy. Do you have a plunger?
No, I just want it to work. See,
it's working, madam. It's working. I don't know what to tell you. You're making up stuff that doesn't exist. You're making up stuff that's not a problem with the toilet. It's working fine. You want me to do? I don't understand what you want me to do. You want me to fix something that's not broken? You want me to do something and just... What the guy charged you to put this vanity in? $6,000.
No,
wasn't it?
I just want to know why it didn't work this morning.
I don't know. I came here and I adjusted the water flow and it's flushing fine. It might have been a blockage. He might have had a hard turd in there or something and it wouldn't flow. It wouldn't go down. You know? Could have. Why wouldn't it flush?
It's going to work, right?
It's working now. It just flushed 3 times.
Well, when it wasn't working,
Did you push out a 2x4 down there or something?
No.
You didn't.
And it wasn't working, and I fidgeted around and moved it, and make sure that, and then all of a sudden it started to work. The thing is, the thing would go up and the water would keep coming.
Right.
And then it didn't finish itself, so it could fill up the tank. You know what I mean?
Oh, I don't know. It's full. It's working.
Yeah.
This is the 5th time I'm flushing it, and I readjusted the water level in here.
Yeah.
I don't know what to tell you. I flushed the thing 5 times with toilet paper.
Yeah.
It's going down. I don't know what I can say. I made the adjustments. It's working the way it's supposed to work. That's all I could do.
Well, when I got in there and the thing would come up so high and then it would keep pouring the water. It wouldn't stop. And then
maybe the flapper was off or something down there, but it's working fine now.
Yeah, I could see the flapper.
Right.
And
that's it. I'm gonna get you. That's all I can do.
Yeah.
All right, guys, just left that toilet job, and the guy looked at me and he says, "She's wacky," and he points at her head. I think she is wacky. Gone flipping wacky. What's wrong with the toilet? Thing flushes. Aggravating. What does she want me to do? I don't know what the hell she wants me to do. What does she want me to do, Molly? Sell her a new toilet? Be complaining about that one too. Flipping gone, flipping whacked. Gone wokey. Gone wokey on us. Well, want me to guarantee the toilet's gonna flush for another 10 years. It's like, I don't think so, lady. It's flushing now. That's it. What do you want me to do? Dealing with these old people sometimes is not easy. It can be difficult. Her husband said my husband says she's wacky. Molly. Yeah. The husband says she's wacky.